Good morning, traders. This is Venderman here with FuturestraderElite with your NQ pre-market prep on 2/6. It's Friday. You know, we've been in a bearish market and it is Friday, so let's hope that this is not a bloodbath day. Let's jump right into the 1 hour chart. Let's pull this up. So here we have an imbalance zone right here, and that is from about 606 to 704. The golden pivot is inside at 667. You know, if we look at this chart and everything we've been dealing with the ups and downs and the swings in NQ, the market really needs to calm down a little bit because it's making some wild moves, high ATR, you know, chop around, piercing through levels that should hold. And so what I want to do today, because it's Friday and it seems like they keep trying to drag this down all the time during the day, I put these precision entry zones here, right here on the 1 hour, because some of the smaller time frame stuff just ain't been working out real well. And so this precision entry zone down here is 495 to 505, and then this one down here is 245 to 255. Now we have this line here. We need to move this up a little, about right there. Say around 425 there could be something. You can see we just put that 1 hour trend line on here, this red line we just put on, and you know, we're right there against it. And what we need to be thinking about is we're at 770 right now, and the overnight low is down here where this precision entry zone is. Let's jump over to another chart real quick. Jump on this one. This is MNQ. Let me look at this on the 15 because I got some other stuff marked out on here. Okay, so right here, this pink box is 240 to 260. The bottom of that box is the overnight low. With the way NQ's been moving, there's no reason to believe that we might not visit this box today. Okay, now yesterday's high is up here, this pink box, and the top of that would be the high, so around 950, 960. And then I made the box 20 points, 960 to 940. I'll be looking for rejection in there. You know, if it can get above that box, we'll be looking for longs maybe out of the top side of that because it's breaking the previous day high. But that low, let me get my other chart back over here on NQ. So yeah, this down here is what we need to be thinking about. This green box down here, the bottom, the low is about 238. I put that box at 245 to 255. You need to be bearish on the day. You know, we got imbalance below. We got the golden, we are above the golden pivot, but like I was saying earlier, things just have not been triggering the way they normally would. So be safe about everything. You know, let the trades come to you, and even some A+ setups are getting blowed through. And then overhead, there's so much resistance because we've had so much downward move. I mean, you got the R1 pivot at 927. We got a precision entry zone at 945 to 955. We got one up here from 40 to 50. 165 to 175, about 290 to 300. Then we got more bearish imbalance up here needs filled, and then 375 to 385, and then the R2 pivot. I mean, that's a lot of overhead resistance here, and I'm not going to just go on and on. I got stuff marked, all the way up. So I'll update things in the live updates channel and Discord, depending on direction. Let's pop this down to the 15-minute real quick and take a look at what we might have. We need to adjust its trend line so it's touching the candle wick. So we're there. I think it's it. Yeah, right there. I think right now my focus is going to be, are they going to drop this to here? If we can stay under this trend line, I'll probably be looking for shorts all day, more than likely. We'll see what they do. Got to remember it's Friday, and we know what they like to do on Friday. So just play it safe and, let the trades come to you. If this is your first time with us, join the Discord. You can check for updates in the live updates channel as far as levels and everything else, and setups. I hope everybody has had a great week. Let's end it strong. If the day gets wild, maybe just take the day off and walk away. That's what I might do. We just need to wait till the open and see how NQ reacts. We'll see everybody. Hope everybody has a great weekend. I'll see everybody back on Monday. Good luck today, guys.